In my earlier quick tip number 1, I talked about installing thrust bearings for the drawbar here so that it could take up the force and make it easier to tighten. That's fine, but notice how this is loose here. It's wiggling around. So when it's running at high speed, this thing can move around a lot, and I think that could compromise performance of the machine. So I've come up with an alternative solution. I'll take that out of there, get rid of those, and I've made a little bushing here that will drop right in there snugly. This will fall in beautifully, tighten down, and the bushing there will take the force of the drawbar, but it'll keep everything centered. So now it'll run true, which is a real advantage, I think. So I'm going to abandon these and use the thrust force of the Delrin as a bearing surface, which it's really good for. And I'm still leaving that chunk of Delrin on the top with a button head screw securing it into the head, just to stop me from peening this over when I accidentally, or most of the time, move my wrench over from here to tapping it to loosen it. So hammering on here was peening over the top of my drawbar head.